guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, we will discuss about the tools function on Macromedia Flash. The first step we do is open the Macromedia Flash application. Well, here is the display of Macromedia Flash. So, the tools contained in Macromedia Flash are: the first is Selection Tool. The function of Selection Tool is to select and move object. The next is Subselection Tool. The function of Subselection Tool is to change the shape of the object with edit points. The third tool is Free Transform Tool. The function of Free Transform Tool is resize or rotate an object as you wish. The next tool is Gradient Transform Tool. The function of these tools is to change the color gradient of the object. And then Line Tool. The function of Line Tool is to create a straight line object. And then Lasso Tool. The function of this tool is to select the object to be edited. The next tool is Pen Tool. The function of these tools is to create object through the dots as a connector. And then Text Tool. The function of Text Tool is to create text or letters, words, and sentence. The next is Oval Tool. The function of Oval Tool is to create an ellipse or circle object. The next tool is Rectangle Tool. The function of Rectangle Tool is to create a rectangular object or a polygon. And then Pencil Tool. The function of Pencil Tool is to create objects freely in the form of lines. And then Brush Tool. The function of Brush Tool is to create a free object with the shape and size that has been provided. And then Ink Bottle Tool. The function of this tool is to color the outline. The next is Paint Bucket Tool. The function of this tool is to give color to objects. And then Eyedropper Tool. The function of this tool is to take color samples. And then Eraser Tools. The function of Eraser Tools is to delete objects. And then Hand Tool. The function of Hand Tool is to move the stage. And then Zoom Tool. The function of Zoom Tool is to enlarge or reduce the appearance of objects. The next is Stroke Color. The function of Stroke Color is to give color to the outline. And then Fill Color. The function of these tools is to give color to the object. And the last is Snap to Objects. The function of this tool is set additional function of the currently active tool. Now I will explain menu bar function on Macromedia Flash. The first menu bar is File. The function of File is contains a collection of menu related to your Flash document. For example, the Save menu to save your Flash document. The second menu bar is Edit. The function of Edit is contains a collection of menu related to object on the stage. For example, the Select All menu is used to select all object on the stage. The third menu bar is Commands. The function of this menu bar is contains a collection of menu related to Flash JavaScript. For example, the Run command menu is used to run Flash JavaScript. The next menu bar is Control. The function of this menu is contains a collection of menu that are used to view the result of the animation or object that you created. For example, the Play menu is used to run animation on the timeline. The next menu is Window. The function of window is contains a collection of menu related to the panels in Flash. For example, the action menu is used to display the action panel. And the last menu bar is help. The function of help is contains a collection of menu related to tutorials and how to use Flash. For example, the Flash help menu is used to display a panel containing tutorials and how to use Flash. So, my explanation about tools and menu bar function on Macromedia Flash has finished. I hope you understand my explanation, and thanks for watching and see you next time.